Greetings. We live in an unpredictable world where incidents can occur without a moment's notice. Accidents, illnesses, and unforeseen circumstances can happen to anyone at any time and without warning. That is why selecting the right insurance for self and the family is very, very important. Insurance provides us not only with financial security, but also it gives us a peace of mind. When we fall ill or face financial difficulties, insurance provides us with safety nets that protect us from the fear and uncertainty of what might happen next. Having the right insurance coverage can mean the difference between financial stability or too much debt. It is crucial to take the time and consider the benefits of selecting the right type of insurance for yourself and your family. The decision making process requires careful consideration as the wrong insurance policy could leave a family with debt and emotional hardship at a time when they need support. So, what are the factors that you should consider when choosing the right insurance for yourself and your family? Evaluate your needs. What are your needs? First step is selecting insurance is to evaluate the needs of you and your family. You should consider the type of risks you are exposed to and the level of coverage that will provide financial protection. Second, you should also consider the cost. It is essential to consider the cost associated with the different types of insurance policies which are available. While it may be tempting to go for the cheapest policy, the coverage and benefits may not be sufficient. You also don't want to pay an overly expensive policy, right? That doesn't cover all your risks. Look for a reputable insurance provider. You will want to research and pick a reputable insurance provider. Look at their track record, quality of service, and experience in the market. Review and understand. Many people don't review and understand the policy. So, what I do is before committing to an insurance policy, I read it thoroughly and understand the terms and conditions. I don't just sign blindly, and I clarify whatever doubts I have with the insurance provider. And also, I create a emergency fund. Having an emergency fund in place is equally important. Insurance does not cover everything, please remember. And having an emergency fund can help cover other unexpected expenses. And today, insurance has become a necessity for every individual and family. To ensure the protection of ourselves and our loved ones, selecting the right insurance plan can make all the difference. Insurance is a peace of mind for anyone who is looking to safeguard their future. The first step is, as I said, the right insurance plan is understanding the different types of insurance policies which are available in the market. There are various insurance plans like life insurance, health insurance, home insurance, auto insurance, and these are also tailored to meet the specific needs of individuals and families. In today's time, insurance companies offer customized plans catering to specific requirements of the client. Make it as essential to pick the one which suits your need and your budget. Remember, while selecting the insurance plan, it is essential to keep in mind the long term benefits. Most of us actually overlook that and only think that the present is important. However, it is fundamental to select a plan that caters to your long term requirements. So, proper research, analysis, comparison of different plans can help you identify which policies can give you maximum benefits in the long run. And it is also very important that when you're picking the right insurance, it involves the well-being of our loved ones. A single wrong decision can impact the future significantly. So, therefore, selecting the right insurance plans is not just about securing the future, but also safeguarding the present in case of unforeseen events. And the term insurance market has become exceedingly competitive with several companies offering different policies at different rates. So it is very important to understand the deals thoroughly and compare each one of them to make an informed decision. Just do not look at the premium amount, but also the clauses and inclusions in the policy. You do not want to end up buying a policy that provides no use when you need it the most. So let us look at the summarize and look at 51 essentials to select the right insurance for your family. So let us see how to select the best insurance for your family and yourself. So research different insurers. Look at the insurers and do a research. Compare different types of insurances. Know when to make changes. Sometimes they need to be modified. Some more has to be added, or probably some of the things can be removed. So you should know when to make the changes. Understanding your family's needs. So it's very important that you understand the needs of the family and also your financial situation. Can you afford the term loan? Can you afford to pay the timely installments? Pick reasonable deductibles. It's always better to talk to a financial advisor about the right insurance plan. Consider discounts if it is they are available, and also check the company's history, their financial strength, and read the fine print. I'm telling you that is one thing where most people ignore, or they are impatient. So there's a lot of things which will be hidden in the fine print. Go through it carefully. Read the fine print. What clauses? What are the terms and conditions? Go through them. Check thoroughly. Ask for professional advice and also understand your personal risk. Choose the right level of coverage. So the amount should be justified and you should get the right level of coverage. Under coverage is of no use. Understand how much you can afford and consider the benefits of bundling. Don't skip on coverage and take some time. Shop around for the best rates. Don't be in a hurry. Take time. And also don't ignore your health history. This is also an important indicator of how much insurance coverage you need to have. Your family needs to have. Talk to your employer. He will also be able to guide you. Understand state and federal insurance laws. So also understand the local laws. Be prepared to switch insurers. So that is also one strategy you can have. Review claims handling history. So that gives you about the genuineness of the policies. Look for recent price increases. And also very important, consider secondary insurance as a backup. It's very important. And also get coverage for major medical events. Understand your renewal options. So find out what are the options available to renew, when to renew, what will be the cost. Determine coverage time periods. How long is the coverage available? Understand itemized billing. So certain things will be billed, and so you have to understand the billing part of it. Consider your spouse's policy and investigate Medicare coverage. Be thorough. What are the illnesses covered? Up to how much is it covered? What is not covered? Review your coverage every year. So I do annual review and also familiar with Medicaid, whatever is the aid out. And also consider a replacement policy if it is not working out. Don't overlook long-term care. Very, very important. You should be having a long-term approach. Look at group plans if available. That's also a wise way of choosing the best policy. Know benefits and liabilities and look at the whole picture and consider coverage before retirement and research your state exchange and also understand the reimbursement. How is it? Cashless, partial cash, or direct to the insurer. So find out how is the reimbursement part. Learn about Cobra, understand different plans, self-employment options, out-of-pocket costs. So we should be aware certain things will have to be borne out of pocket. Put off obtaining coverage until necessary. That is also a strategy some people use. Consider prepayment options if it is available. Look for discounts, credits. Become familiar with pre-existing conditions, if any. Consider the benefits of pet insurance, appropriate limits and deductible. Learn about the claims process. These are some of the things we should always keep in mind when you're choosing the insurance policy for you and your family. Be safe, be protected. Wishing you the best wishes and hope you get the right policy. Thank you.